There is no fire like passion, and there are no chains like hate. Illusion is a net, desire a rushing river. Beware of desires, because it is going to drown you. It has drowned so many people, and it has drowned you many times in the past. This time, be alert. Don't allow the desire to drown you, and don't allow unnecessary wastage of energies. Because this is my observation, that the weaker you are spiritually, the more desires will be powerful on you. The stronger you are spiritually, the more energy you have spiritually, the less is the power of desires to drag you, to drown you. And illusions, that's all desires are. That's what your mind is. It is never satisfied. It only goes on creating new and new nets for you to be caught. It goes on postponing the moment of your becoming free. It goes on alluring you for the tomorrow. Becky's greatest dream was to make love with Mick Jagger. After spending the night with a man, her best friend Jane would ask her about the experience, and the reply was always the same. It was good, but it was not Mick Jagger. Finally, Becky's dream came true, and she got a chance to sleep with Mick Jagger. The next day, her friend Jane was eager to hear the report, but when she asked Becky how it was, Becky replied, it was good, but it was not Mick Jagger. Nothing is going to satisfy you ever. Even Mick Jagger will not be Mick Jagger. It is your illusion that you project on Mick Jagger. The real Mick Jagger is just as ordinary as any Harry, Tom, Dick. Or it is Tom, Dick, Harry. I always get confused between these three people.